Hey guys, welcome back to another 8-bit squid tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to be installing the ecosystem browser to Playmaker. What ecosystem does, it lets you download other people's like custom actions for Playmaker, which adds things which don't, or haven't been, I should say, included in the base package. And this is completely free. So, first thing what we actually need to do is download it. So you need to go to the website here. There will be a link in the description. And we're going to click on here where it says Ecosystem Browser Package. You're going to go there, here. And that will then download that file for you. Once that is downloaded, what we need to do is we're going to then go to our assets here in the top, scroll down to import package, custom package. Now mine is on the desktop, so I'm going to double click on that and we'll click import. Okay, so wait for it to finish. Okay, and now ecosystem has been added. You can see setting up ecosystem scripting define symbol ecosystem there. Now to find this, we're going to go to Playmaker, add-ons, and then we click on ecosystem browser, or you can press Alt-E to open it. And we're going to get this window here, and we're going to click Use Ecosystem. Now, for example, one thing I like to use is TextMesh Pro. So you may use TextMesh Pro because obviously the other text in the UI is now classed as legacy. So at some point, this is going to disappear. So if we put, say, TextMesh Pro in here, new project, so let me just import it. Into 2D. Okay, so I'll pop that in here. I've not scaled this canvas, obviously. This is just to give you an example. I'll put it at 100 so it's bigger. Let's pop it down here so it's clear. In the standard one here, we say UI set. I think it's set text, isn't it? Set text. UI text set text. Okay, it's going to say here it needs a text component because this is using a TextMesh Pro UI component. So we can't use it even if we have it dragged in. It's the same. If we click on it, it'll tell you that it's already got a TextMesh Pro GUI added. So essentially what ecosystem allows us to do, we just type in here TextMesh Pro. We're going to get two options. I always go with this one here, TextMesh Pro 2022. Because this one, whenever I try to use it, doesn't seem to work. So, for example, I'm going to use TextMesh Pro 2022. I'll click Get. Okay, we'll click Import. Sometimes it can take a while. If you get like a red error appear on here when you search, just click Search again, and then generally it'll work the second time. Okay, and now it's done. So we can then add that, not that one. So I believe the one we want is UGUI. It's under UGUI There. Set Text Mesh Pro UGUI text, and well, we can just use owner, and literally you can say like, hello world. Click every frame, hit play. And there we go. So yeah, nice and short. That's how you install Ecosystem and install custom actions onto Playmaker. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit like and subscribe for more future tutorials. And until then, bye-bye.